Hello everyone, my name is Philip Allen and I'm here to talk to you about Unknown Comics and another test video. For those of you who don't know who I am or what Unknown Comics is all about, allow me to explain. Unknown Comics is a free resource created and made available for people interested in learning about how to make comics. So far, this resource has only ever been made available in article format over on my website unknown-comics.com. I founded Unknown Comics back in February 2016 as an assignment in one of my college classes where I was tasked with starting a blog and promoting it. I decided to take this opportunity to learn how to make comics. I wanted to make my own and share what I learned with others along the way. I decided a while back to focus my writings into four main categories. These are the defining structure of comics, where I try to figure out what makes comics and their respective subsets, be they comic books, graphic novels, manga, comic strips, and digital comics as a whole, such a unique literary medium. Tools and practices used by other comic creators to produce, organize, distribute, promote, and profit from their creations. I also research and write about certain industry trends that significantly affect comic creators. And yeah, I can already hear you asking, what's this video for? This is the second test video I've developed in order to get ready to start a YouTube series. My main goals for this channel are to reach a new audience, dive deeper into topics that I've only ever touched on in my writings, get more use out of my existing content, and try my hand at honing my audio and video editing skills, because it never hurts to learn new things. So that covers what Unknown Comics and this video are all about. I think that went pretty well. If you're interested in the content that I've mentioned in this video, you should check out my articles page. There you can enjoy dozens of different articles that talk about making comics in a variety of different topics. If you liked this video and you would like to support the start and continuation of a YouTube series that talks about making comics on a regular basis, be sure to check out my Patreon page over at patreon.com/unknowncomics. Since I've started making videos, I've included some cool new rewards for people who are joining me before I complete my third and final test video. I've already decided what topics I would like to talk about in my first 4 episodes. Join now and let me know what you would want me to talk about after those are complete. I've included all the links I've mentioned throughout this video in the description below. So tell me, did you like my second test video? What did you think about the image, sound, and subtitle quality? Was there any improvement? Are you excited for my next and final test video? Do you have any comments or feedback? If you do, please write it all in the comments section below. That's it then. That concludes this test video. Have yourself a good day. See you guys next time.